Emily, this is our husky Cordy, and this is our BarkBox for July. So let's get our paws in it. This is the wrapping that's in the box, and this is pretty much what we get in it. So this is the first thing, the Yeti Corporation Yak Chew. It is $11. This is an all-natural dog chew. It's made from yak and cow milk, and it is an incredibly long-lasting and tasty alternative to rawhide. The second thing is the Butcher's Block LLC Trachea Chew. This is $3. The Butcher's Block beef chews are hand-trimmed and slow-roasted in Omaha, Nebraska. The third thing is my doggy cheesy cookies. They're at $10. What's better than a soft, doughy cookie? One that's cheesy and wheat-free, too. Lucky Pup. The fourth thing is the Zigoo Pets Veg Out. I think that's what it's called. Stick your veggies in it and give it to your dog. It is at $10. The tip is the BB tip. Stuff this USA made toy with peanut butter, baby carrots, or rubbed treat and freeze for a long-lasting, healthy snack. The final thing is Bark Made Bearded Lady. It is at $13. You won't find a bearded lady this much fun anywhere else. Definitely still cheesy. I think she likes them. And this is our BarkBox for July. Bye.